Hey guys, it's Cami and welcome to the channel. It is early in the morning, it's before 10 a.m. I'm sure I sound like it. So in this video, I wanted to do a very affordable price range video, and I just love getting a deal on good makeup. You know what I mean? Like, I love paying like a $5 bill for a very awesome lipstick. Most of these products are $10 and under, so I'm very excited to be doing this video. I've never done a video like this, but it's a really nice challenge for myself. So let's go ahead and get into the video. Also guys, this is part 1 of part 2, so be expecting part 2 tomorrow. And most of these products I looked for on the app on my phone, so if you are wondering how to get them without going to the physical brick and mortar location, you can order them from the app. So today on my face I'm using the Palmer's Cocoa Butter Formula. This is, let's see, I wrote all my notes. You don't even want to see what I wrote on, I'm not going to tell you. You can get the 13-ounce Palmer's Cocoa Butter from Target for $4.99. This does not say specifically to use on the face, but I've done it like 1,000,001 times and I think it's fine. I do have some items in my makeup collection that are $60, $70, $80 items, and these just happen to be $10 or less. So for me, it's on the affordable side. You can see after I rub this all in, my skin is a little red. So I have oily skin and sensitive skin, and the Palmer's Cocoa Butter Formula is fine for me. So for a primer, I'm gonna go ahead with the Coconut Wet n Wild Photo Focus Primer Water Spray. This is a very, very good spray. It helps all my makeup stay all day. And this is $4.99 at Target. Okay, so let's go ahead and get my brows together. So I'm gonna zoom you in a little bit. The Maybelline Tattoo Studio Brow Pomade is $9.99 at Target. In the color Black Brown, it comes with this spoolie brush and the pot of product. So I'm just gonna take a little. You guys remember when I was obsessed with my e.l.f. brush? I actually still have the e.l.f. brush, but I just don't use it as much because I've been enjoying this pomade. You guys probably already saw my last video. In one of my last videos, I was already telling you how much I really love this. So I won't get into too much detail, but I would like to add, if you have been thinking of using a brow pomade, but it just seems maybe advanced because maybe you're a beginner, if you have oily skin, I completely understand why a pomade might seem unpredictable, but I have oily skin, and after a little while I found that I almost like using this brush with the product more than a pencil. Also, I feel like if my eyebrows don't look the same, I can trace them with concealer. That is one of my new favorite makeup hacks, and I can even them out. On the CVS app, which you can order from, the LA Girl Green Concealer is $4.99. Here and a little bit between my eyebrows, there's a little bit of redness. So what I want to do is use the LA Girl Pro Conceal. I'm going to use this green concealer. It cancels out any redness, and it's just going to help me use my foundation and concealer on top of it to balance out the color. That is the bonus giveaway question for this video. Let me know if you're interested in all the different colors of concealer that there are, because I feel like most people think the concealers are like the same color ranges as foundations, but there's actually like orange, blue, there's a lot of them. To blend in my foundation, I could use this EQUATE sponge. This EQUATE sponge I got from Walmart, and it was $1.94. And I'm actually not going to use it today because I forgot to wet it. It is not wet. But however, when I was downstairs at my sink, I just grabbed an old beauty blender. It was very dirty and I cleaned it. It's just stained now. This is not under $10. This is actually $20. You can get this from Sephora, but I just wanted to show you that I had the EQUATE sponge that I do use, but I'm going to use it today because it's actually the one that's wet. And the foundation that I'm using with it is the COVERGIRL TRUBLEND Matte Made Foundation, and this foundation is from Target, and this is $9.99. And you can get this online at the app. Hold on, where is it? No, wow. This foundation online is $7.99 at Target on the app. So yeah, I've also seen this listed for like somewhere in the $5 range, depending on which color you want to get. So I think it's really worth it to do your research, especially on the color that you want for each product. Sometimes different colors are on sale for whatever reason. I recently did a foundation wear test video on this foundation, and I'm going to link that down below for you too. I think you're going to be surprised with my findings. Yes, I'm using it. No, that does not mean I absolutely love it. It means I'm letting you know it's available on the market, and also it might be better for your skin type. So check out that video. Where'd the green go over here? Wow, okay. So that concealer really was worth it. I'm actually gonna line up my brows. I don't even know what I'm gonna clean up my brows with my foundation. So I'm just gonna put it on a small brush and it will sort of like line it up again or edge it up again. That's how you know you've been in isolation at home for a while and you have a man. You know he has to cut his hair, and they use terms like edge it up or line it up. And now I'm talking about doing that to my eyebrows. I think I've said it before, but like my husband is not a public person. He has like social media accounts, but he's not necessarily someone who, you know, is trying to be overly social. It's basically to stay in touch with family. If he ever comes onto any of my social media platforms, it's basically just a huge surprise to me too. I'll let you guys know if it changes, but at the moment, I respect his decision. Because some of you might be curious. I know there are a lot of couples who do social media together. I'm gonna move on to my regular concealer, and this is is this the most expensive thing besides the Beauty Blender? But I gave you the drugstore version. The Morphe Fluidity Concealer, you guys, is $10 on the Ulta app. I don't remember spending $10 on it. I thought it was $8. It was $8 in store, but on the app, it's $10. I'm just gonna go ahead and do my concealer and my bronzer. I'm also gonna use the Physicians Formula bronzer. This is the color Endless Summer. They have bronzer minis at Target. They're 0.74 ounces and they are $5.99. This particular size, this is the bigger regular size. The one online that I just saw really quickly, the Physicians Formula Butter Bronzer, is the color called Bronze. So a couple of weeks ago, I did cut my man's hair and it was like a fun experience. I actually really enjoyed it. Speaking of couples on the internet, there are a couple of couples that I really like to watch, and they've actually been through the same thing that I've been through over the last couple of weeks while in isolation. I haven't watched it yet, but I'm interested to see Diana Saldana cut her husband Jose's hair. She's got a big oops on the thumbnail, so I'm wondering what happens. I really want to go watch that. But yeah, their husbands are in those videos. Me and my husband don't plan on making one of those videos specifically. Like I said, I don't do like vlogs with my husband in them because I respect his choice to stay behind the camera. But yeah, I'm sure the experience was probably similar and a lot of fun. So I'll link those down below just in case you're wondering what other people are doing vlog style during isolation. And to be honest, like I have a doctor's appointment. I don't need to go full 9 yards on this makeup look. Okay, ooh, I forget how good this smells. This smells like coconut too, but it does smell different than the Wet n Wild coconut. You know how different companies make they make the same fruit smell a little bit different. I don't know how they do it, but they do. It's nice for in the hollow of the cheek here, but I'm kind of using it as like a blush brush up here right now. I just kind of like that because I don't really need the hollowness here. I need more color up here, but I really just want to use this. I should probably buy like a brown blush. Do any of you use like darker colored blushes? Let me know. I know some people like a purple. Ooh, that's a lot. I've got to figure out how to diffuse that. Some people like to use like a purple color. Let me know what you guys use, if any of you use like a darker blush. I'm going to turn on another light, even though I feel like I don't need it, but for some reason I feel like I do. The one that goes right in front, like kind of where the camera is not on, and I don't know how I forgot to turn that one on today. That's like my main one. It's my ring light. I think I'm gonna, just in case you guys are interested in any of that stuff, comment down below if you are. I'm going to find my ring light and link it down below for you guys. It's pretty good. I'm pretty sure I got it from Amazon, and I mean, I've been thinking about Amazon so much lately. I have some things in mind that I would like to order. Yeah, just in case you guys are wondering about my equipment at all, I'll try to link the ring light I have on Amazon. Okay, so you see how the bronzer has just warmed me up? I look a little bit more real. I don't look so bright. I have that song in my head by Harry Styles, Adore You. Oh my gosh, I've been using it on my Instagram non-stop. I've been using it on stories all over the place. I'm gonna look for it on TikTok. Let's put a little bit of the bronzer in my eye socket, just to give me a little bit of life over there. I zoomed you guys in because everything I'm doing is super detailed now. A little bit of the same color along my nose here. I have like a whole list of products that I wanted to use because I want to show you guys like what is, you know, $10 or less. This eyeshadow palette, this Wet n Wild Not a Basic Peach eyeshadow palette. Did I get this from Walgreens? Can't remember that. But that is, oh my gosh, this is why I wanted to use it. This is fine, but okay, that Wet n Wild palette is $7.99 at CVS, which is not Walgreens. I don't know how much it is at Walgreens where I bought it, but the other price that I got on the app, remember I was getting these prices from the app on my phone because I downloaded CVS, Target, Ulta, yeah. At Target, it's $3.99, so do your shopping around, guys. Okay, guys, so this concludes part 1 of this seemingly natural makeup look. I'm excited to find out what I'm feeling and how I look in the video that is going to be coming out tomorrow. Stay tuned for that one. Just so you know, the shout outs come from the comments on any of my videos, and I have a couple of channels. I'll link my other channel down below just in case you're interested. Amy Singh says, I love Morphe palettes. Please enter me into the giveaway. I wish I can win this giveaway. I'm done with all the entries. Thank you. Amy, you're welcome. Honestly, she was talking about a different Morphe palette that I gave away a few months ago, but I'm currently doing a Morphe palette giveaway right now, so I'm gonna link that down below, as well as the current giveaway channel, just so you guys can be in the know what I'm giving away at any given time. Amy, thank you so much for your comment. I hope you're having a great day and staying safe. Ooh, my battery's about to die, so that is my cue. All right, guys, I love you so much. I cannot wait to finish this look and to upload it so you guys can see how it's coming out. What do you think of the products so far? I'm talking about $10 and under products. Which ones that I've used so far are you actually interested in? All right, guys, I will see you tomorrow. Love you. Bye.